Why is open? What's open? 30? Thanks! 30s are open? Which one is it? Yay! Definite flies.
It's a good luck crane.
It's a good one.
When I was 11 years old, a blind boy showed me how to make a good luck crane. That's 81 years ago. And he showed me how to make it. I've been making them ever since. Yeah, I make the bird, and then I'd give it to whoever got interested in it. I'd make a bird, and they'd say, "Oh, could I get one?" And I'd say, "Sure," and I gave them a bird. It's unbelievable how much they enjoy the little bird that flaps its wings. How do you like that? Is that enough birds for you? I have a pad here where I put a bunch of scratch paper, and I make birds out of these papers, and then there are rubber bands to wrap a dozen birds. And away we go. A lot of people, when they're making them, they go over it two or three times thinking they're making the crease better. That's a waste of time. That's one shot. And then fold in the last one and go like this. The rest of these moves are sort of basic. It's not too difficult. You can tell I've done this before. But due to the creases, everything falls into place sort of naturally. And it's very easy to make a bird. Nothing to it.
Thank you.
Good morning. Thank you. Come on in.
Every night he makes them while he watches television.
All right, we're going to do
He always carries a pocket full. Every kid in Boca must have 20. You get one whether you want to or you don't. We were at the airport once and our flights were delayed all over for hours. And there were many, many children there. And he kept them busy, put them in a circle, or they just gathered in a circle. He was teaching them how to make birds. The parents were so happy because the concessions were closed. There was nothing for the kids to do but whine. And he had them in circles all around him, and the parents behind them. The Birdman strikes again.
So now we want you to stay here for a few years, so we can play. You can play with us. Otherwise, I don't know who we'll be playing with. I really don't. Ah, here he is.
Want to play?
He's fast. Today he's fast. Okay, let's do it.
No, game. On
We
this
lost
side it's
2
open.
points in a row.
But it was It was there, Ed. Now it was Deuce over here.
It can't be Deuce because he lost that point.
Dave.
How many did you give out on the cruise? On a cruise, 1,444. 65-day cruise. I took 1,000 with me. I had to make 444 more.
Oh, thank you. You're always so kind.
I've used my hands all my life. I do wood sculpture. I paint. I've been a carpenter. I've been an electrician. I've been all the trades of the building business. In 1952, we built a 43-foot catch in the backyard. I bought the basic empty hull, and then I welded for maybe a year, and I added the top and the whole monkey business, the masts, and I can take the deck off of this boat and you can see all the interior rooms. But see, this hatchway slides open and shut. Oop, I just took the hatch off.
And welcome to Miami by way of San Diego. This Steve Slayton. At best trying to bust this one. He takes it to the 40-yard line. Mike Wint, the snapper, makes the tackle.
I was married to Elaine for 50 years, and now I'm married with Sylvia for 16. So, and Sylvia was married for 52 years, so we're married 118 years. And she's the kind of person that she has love for people. You know, if she's a friend, she's more than a friend. She's got love involved, which is very nice.
Just to be clear, right now you're writing that not because you have to, but just for fun, right?
Anybody see my pocketbook? White pocketbook.
You find it?
Let me go look in the kitchen. Ouch. I can't move. Oh, I'm so tired of being in pain.
It's not easy to live with somebody that's in pain all the time, but I'm hoping she'll hang in there.
Boy, grass is wet.
Wait a minute.
Where are you?
Wait.
I'm pushing 90. It could be better. But I'm still alive and kicking. The great-grandchildren, they like getting a bird.
And have you ever gotten one?
Yes. But I don't remember when, though. You owe me a bird.
Here, I'll give you one now.
Okay. Where is it? Okay, got it. Fly away, birdie. And we nuts.